Hey there, it's Andrew, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add your HighLevel web chat widget to a Weebly website. Let's dive right in. So there's obviously two pieces to this puzzle. We first have our chat widget within HighLevel, which you can find under Sites, Chat Widgets. You can create as many as you would like per recent updates, and all you're going to do is click the three dots on the right-hand side, click Edit in order to edit the chat widget itself, or you can just click the title. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click Get Code at the top right-hand side. This is where we're going to get our embed code for our chat widget. Once you see this screen, click copy, and then you can X out of this and we'll be good to go. Then we can head over to our Weebly account. Now, you can either log in straight to the website editor, or you can log into your account here and then log into the editor by clicking Edit Site. Once you go into your Weebly site, then you want to head to Settings. Once you get to Settings, then head to SEO, and then scroll down and you will see Header Code. This is where we're going to paste that code that we just copied from HighLevel. Here we're going to paste it like that, then click Save. Once we do that, we can preview our website back in Weebly. As you can see right here is our chat widget from HighLevel, and it works absolutely perfectly. Not only does this work for Weebly, but also most other external website editors out there. Just paste the code that you get from HighLevel into the header tracking code and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions about this, refer to the help doc. And of course, thank you for watching.